it's Melissa with melissaswin.com and calligraphy.org. I'm sharing with you another Sakura product review. See links in the description below for past Sakura videos. This one is for the 24-pan neon and metallic watercolor set. That's right, this palette is nothing but bright neons and sparkly metallics, all exclusive to the creative art color palettes that you get from Sakura. I don't know about you, but this is pretty exciting. I can't wait to show you this palette in action. So onto the review. This 24-pan set comes with the following: 4 metallics, 8 fluorescents, 12 pearlescents, 2 dabbing sponges, a snap lid that acts as an easel for paper, and a detachable palette that secures to the left or to the right side. A pull-down ring on the base for gripping easily while on the go, and a medium tip water brush. You can find this set on Amazon, Dick Blick, or your local art supply store for $42.49 MSRP or for $29.49 for the 12 color set. See the links down below. Is it worth the price? Let's find out. One of the most common questions I get in my review for Sakura's 48-pan set is, are they chalky? It's a great question. These are artist grade pigments. They're great quality pigments without the hefty price tag. While they may not be professional, they do perform well. They're smooth, they blend beautifully, and they dry without any kind of chalkiness or residue. So I say that's a definite win. Another great question, particularly for neons, is how light fast are these pigments? And the answer is no, they are not light fast, but that's going to be the case with every other neon pigment you're going to come across anyway. That's just something to keep in mind with the pigment you use, how much you use, and where you plan on displaying it. So I wouldn't recommend putting it on display where you get a lot of full sun. So not a deal breaker, but definitely important information to know. As far as the palette goes, it's a great travel size at roughly 6.5 by 4.5 inches. It's lightweight. It includes all really you need in a portable area. The lid can be used as storage or as a work surface, and it's not like a true easel where it can be propped up at like 45 or 90 degree angles. It really just pretty much stays flat, but you don't really need that with watercolor. It also includes a detachable palette with generous wells for mixing color, and you can fix that to one of the sides of the watercolor palette. So really, you just need a lamp and paper in order to get painting. So you have no excuses, my friends. You've got to just get painting. The colors on this palette are really, really nice in this set too. It's unfortunate the camera doesn't do justice to the brightness of these neon colors. They're beautifully bright. And I've even enjoyed mixing them with my regular watercolors to brighten up my centers and bring things to the front, especially with the florals that I've been doing lately. The metallics aren't as earth-shattering as the neons are, to be honest, but they're not, because they're not as opaque as I would like in a metallic, but they're still fantastic for glazing over work and adding that extra bit of shine and shimmer to some of your details in your work. The pearlescent colors have more pigment to them, so that added opacity is really lovely for lettering or creating their own details to stand on their own. The pearlescent colors are effectively a silver metallic with a pigmented watercolor in them. So the color soaks down into the paper like a true watercolor, and the bits of metallic stay on top to catch the light and really create that little bit of sparkle. Overall, would I recommend this as your only watercolor palette? No. But would I recommend it as the perfect companion piece to the Sakura watercolor lineup or whatever you may have in your studio? Absolutely, 100% yes. It takes your work's brightness, intensity, and depth to a whole new level. So I would definitely recommend it. It's more expensive than the standard Sakura colors, but these brights are worth it. If you can't justify the 24-pan set at $49, I would recommend the 12-pan set as a great place to start. You can find me over on Instagram. I'm at MelissaFur, and pop by this weekend for your chance to win a 24-pan set for yourself. So definitely check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. If you'd like to learn more about calligraphy and lettering, be sure to check out my lineup of classes over at calligraphy.org. where I teach with a hands-on and one-on-one approach so you can take your lettering skills to the next level. So thank you again so much. Feel free to like, subscribe, and comment. Do let me know if you have any questions at all. I'm pretty active on here, so don't be afraid to say hi. And thanks again.